Just in case I see any fireworks. Fine. I'm not filming you.
Why are you pointing the camera at me?
Because I'm going to post it on YouTube.
Oh, God. Really?
Yeah,
good.
yep.
On YouTube, everything.
Yep, everything. All the fireworks are going to go on YouTube.
Beautiful fireworks.
So
yeah, my camera's on. My camera's
Alright.
on.
No, flip off the camera. I want.
Hey, everyone, this is No Fast There. You get to meet me. Oh,
I want to see that. Hold on.
beautiful.
Hey, show the camera on me. Actually, No Fast There is gone because of my mom. But you can still look at my. Yeah, but you can still look at my account and you can still find
make
one
videos of you, and I can still put them on.
You want to know how many subscribers you have?
How many?
13. And you know
More than I do, I think.
No, you have 13.
Oh. Look how famous I am, people! And you already made one video. Only one video, and you have 30.
There's fireworks all over the place.
Show the camera on me.
I'm better than Chelsea because I have 13 subscribers and only one video. Yeah. Maybe because girls think you're cute.
Yeah, exactly. But a bunch of boys think she's cute. So you guys have an equal amount of...
I'm not going to say that.
Yeah, I bet girls think I'm cute.
Yeah, boys keep telling me that.
No. I bet if I look up the 13 subscribers, I bet I can find pictures.